welcome back to my channel for another new video. Thank you so much for joining me today. Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, as you can see from the title below, I have my favorite deep conditioners for relaxed hair. I personally recently really got into hair care and taking care of my hair, and my hair has been flourishing. She is living. She's very excited right now. As you guys can see, I have a lot of blonde coming in again, so we're gonna have to handle that, okay? But anyway, if you guys like relaxed hair videos and are looking forward to them on my channel, definitely subscribe so that you don't miss out on any videos. I upload every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday most of the time. Sometimes life happens, girl. I can't control it, okay? But also, if you haven't, make sure to like this video if you do like relaxed hair videos so that I know and I can put out more for you guys. I think that's all I have to say. I don't have any updates or anything, so if you want to see my top 5 deep conditioners for relaxed hair, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alrighty, so starting off, I have one that I don't actually have on hand with me, so I'll insert a picture right here. But this is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Deep Conditioning Mask. I love this mask so much, guys. Like, it literally changed my life, honestly. Not even to be dramatic. But it is part of the Grow, Strengthen, Restore line. I use the shampoo and conditioner from this line, as well as the leave-in conditioner, and all of those products just are so amazing for relaxed hair. It's for chemically treated hair, like dyed hair. Like, it's just so good for relaxed hair. I can't get enough of it. It's kind of hard to find. I personally go to Ulta or Target to find mine. They don't really sell it at Walmart or anything like that. I have seen it in like my beauty supply and things like that, but that deep conditioner, guys, transformed my hair. It just made it so healthy and hydrated without being like weighed down or anything. That was, oh, I love that deep conditioner. I actually dropped it in the shower one time and I literally felt my heart like rip out of my chest. Honestly, it was rough because, you know, Shea moisture is expensive. That's not cheap, girl. So I just love that deep conditioner. I need to pick up another one. I've just been trying out so many because, like I said, I've been on this kind of like healthy hair journey for a little bit now, so I've just been buying all the deep conditioners and all the shampoos, and it's pretty pricey, not gonna lie, but that is my favorite deep conditioner for relaxed hair. So moving on to more that I have actually in front of me to share with you guys. I have this one by Profective Mega Growth Deep Conditioner. This is the Anti-Breakage, Strengthen, Restore, and Repair. This has no parabens, formaldehydes, phthalates, sulfates, alcohol. I don't know what, if that's important to you, they don't got none of it. I don't know what else to tell you. But this is what this looks like. I did feature this in my most recent wash day routine. I love this conditioner. It actually smells like Starburst to me. It smells so good. It smells like candy, honestly. It smells so good, and it actually does linger in your hair. This makes my hair so soft, and like I can finger detangle my hair when I use this product. Like, I don't have to go in with my Y2 comb after I completely put it throughout my hair. Like, my fingers will just glide through my hair and I could just detangle it like nobody's business. Nobody cares. It is so good, and I just picked this up at random one day because I actually think I was out of my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil one, and I saw that this was like Mega Growth, and that one is like for growth and restoring your hair as well. So I thought, maybe let me try this out. It says it infuses an ultra protective blend of natural oils and conditioning proteins to help strengthen hair deep inside for stronger, longer, healthier looking hair. Whatever your texture or hairstyle, Mega Growth defends against breakage, split ends, dryness by helping rebuild hair strength deep inside, protecting against styling stresses, and restores softness and natural shine. Absolutely love this product. It is so amazing. I did pick this up from Walmart, but I know that they do have it on Amazon as well as Target. So this is my second favorite. I absolutely am in love with it. Next up, I have a Tresemme product. This is the Keratin Smooth. It has 5 benefits in one system. It's anti-frizz, perfectly detangles, silky shine, soft feel, and it tames flyaways. This is with marula oil. This is the Tresemme Deep Smoothing Mask. It just looks like this. I picked this up from Walmart, I believe. Yeah. And it just looks like this. This one's pretty thin. It's not really thick. Like, you guys can see, I've used a hefty chunk of that. But this just really makes my hair, I don't know how to describe it. It doesn't make it like super silky like the other previous two that I mentioned, but this just makes my hair feel stronger. You know, it just feels like it's, is it protein based? I don't think it is, but it just makes my hair just feel and look so much better. It just, I notice a difference, and like people around me notice a difference when I do use this, because my hair, it looks a lot shinier. I think that is the marula oil, and it just makes my hair not look so, I don't know, like, I don't know how to describe it, guys. It's just really good at just maintaining my hair, and it just makes it stronger, and just, it feels like I just got it done, and like I almost did like a protein treatment. I think that's the best way to describe it. But I absolutely love this. I picked this up again one time like on a whim, just because I was needing a new deep conditioner, and this looked good. I think what it is, it makes my hair smooth. It's a smoothing mask. It just smooths my hair, makes it look good. I don't have to fuss with it at all, and I think that that's the best thing about this mask. It's not super hydrating, I wouldn't say, but this does just smooth everything down and makes everything just look really good. My next favorite mask is the Hair Mayonnaise by ORS. If you are an OG like hair washer, your mom probably uses this on your hair, your grandma probably uses this on your hair, your auntie or whatever. This is one of my favorite products. It just, if you feel like your hair is brittle and like just weak and just needs some TLC, this is the product for you. It is amazing. I absolutely love this. It does make my hair a little brittle because it is a protein treatment. So it just, you have to make sure that you use not a lot of it, but make sure that you have a good conditioner for it, because that way you will replenish the protein that you put in your hair so that it's not as dry. But this just makes my hair just sing. My hair sings when I put this product in it. Honestly, guys, it is so amazing. Now it has nettle leaf and horsetail extract. I don't know if it always had that, but this is the new look, and then on the bottle it actually has what the old look looked like. So that just is what it looked like right here before, but this is the same product. I absolutely love this. I put this in my hair and put a shower cap on. I leave this in my hair. How long does it say? Oh, okay. It says process under a warm dryer for 15 minutes. I usually do like a half an hour, 20 minutes to a half an hour. I don't leave this on super long because I know my hair personally. So I just do that, and it is amazing. It is great for relaxed hair, because sometimes relaxed hair can lack protein because we do put chemicals in it. So that is a bomb one as well. The last and final deep conditioner, which I actually just tried for my last wash day. I'm going to do a review on you guys, so we'll look forward to that. This is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask with African Rock Fig and, I'm going to butcher this, guys. I don't even want to say it. Baobab oil? I don't know, but it looks like this. I picked this up because I heard a lot of relaxed girls talking about this on YouTube when I googled like best like relaxed hair care routines and stuff like that. This changed me. This is so good. I just love Shea Moisture products. They are so good, and this one did not disappoint. It didn't, because I put this in my hair, and this is the result of the hair. This is the second day of my hair. I washed it yesterday. Well, this, I guess, is this first day. I don't know. I'm not good with technical terms, but look at how shiny and healthy my hair looks, guys. It is insane. I use the whole line from this. I use the shampoo, conditioner, and the deep conditioner, and it is amazing. It makes your hair super hydrated. It is a hydrating mask, and my hair has been super duper dry recently. My whole body has been dry, honestly. Just like everywhere has been dry. If that's TMI, I'm sorry, but it has been rough out here for my hair, and this has changed it so much. It is honestly so amazing, and it smells so good, and like I can still smell it in my hair. Ugh, I'm obsessed with that mask. I'm so thankful that I picked it up. I picked mine up from Walmart. It was actually on sale, so all the products are like only $8 instead of like the $13 that Shea Moisture usually is. But Shea Moisture, honestly, guys, is worth it. Spend the coin, get great hair. That is my motto. That is it for this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed my top 5 conditioners for relaxed hair. If you did, don't forget to give it a like before you leave. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Love you, girls. Mwah. Bye.